So, Rachel, what are you doing tonight?
Oh, big glamour night. Me and Monica at Laundorama.
Oh. You want to hear a freakish coincidence? Guess who's doing laundry there, too?
Oh.
Me. Was that not clear? Hey, why don't I just join you both? There.
Don't you have a laundry room in your building?
Yes. I do have a laundry room in my building. But there's a rat problem. Apparently, they're attracted to the dryer sheets, and they're going in fine, but they're coming out all fluffy. Anyway, say sevenish.
Sure.
Okay, bye. Well, Monica's not coming. It's just going to be me and Rachel.
Well, hold on there, camper. You sure you've thought this through?
It's laundry. The thinking through is pretty minimal.
See, it's just you and Rachel, just the two of you?
Yeah.
This is a date. You're going on a date.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, huh?
So what are you saying here? I should shave again? Pick up some wine? What?
Well, you may want to rethink the dirty underwear. What? This is basically the first time she's going to see your underwear. Do you want it to be dirty?
No.
Oh, and the fabric softener?
Okay. Now what is wrong with my snuggles? It says I'm a sensitive, warm kind of guy, like a little fuzzy bear. All right, I can pick something else up on the way.
There you go.